Example 2 I'm going to do alongside example 1. So this time I'm going to write example 2, and our problem this time is going to be 18 divided by 3 squared plus 10 times 7 minus 5. So when I start, I want to start with my grouping or my parentheses. So 7 minus 5 would give me 2. Now I want to carry everything else down. Now here's where you have to be careful. There was no times symbol written in up here because when I have a number right next to the parentheses, it means I'm multiplying. So you either are going to need to carry down the parentheses, even though you've solved everything that's inside of them, just to show multiplication, or you can draw in like a little dot or that little X for the times symbol. But one way or another, you have to show that's still being multiplied. And then everything else down. So I have 18 divided by 3 squared plus 10 times 2. So following my order of operations, now I've already finished what's in my parentheses. I do have parentheses here, it's just showing multiplication. There's nothing to solve within the parentheses or within the grouping. So I'm going to move on to exponents. So 3 squared, remember that means 3 times 3. So I'm going to get 9 here. So I have 18 divided by 9 plus 10 times 2. So I've done my groupings or my parentheses, I've done my exponents. Now it's moving on to multiplication or division. In this case, just like the last problem, division comes before multiplication, so I will do that first. So 18 divided by 9, that would give me 2. Carry everything else down. So I'm left with 2 plus 10 times 2. So I'm going to have to multiply here before I add. So I'll multiply 10 times 2, which gives me 20. Carry down that 2 plus, and I would end up with a total of 22 for my final answer. And again, you want to kind of box in or circle that final answer so it's easy to find on a test or a quiz or on a worksheet that we're doing in class.